As a projector, how did you manage your trip while dealing with people? Wow, that's on point. So, like in public transport, I just listen to music and keep my eyes closed and not focus on anyone, because as soon as I focus on a person, I start to gather information from them, from their nervous system. And I get filled up pretty quickly with other people's electromagnetic energy. So I need to kind of keep my focus on my own body, on my own breathing. So I was like, in public transport, I was like good posture and my attention only on the things that concern me, not like looking around people, because it's very easy to look at a person and instantly start studying them and reading the energy and reading the everything. So I need to sort of like have like this, you know, like what horses fucking have to not get startled. I almost need that. With my parents, it was like I only spoke when they asked me something, because anytime I start a subject, their nervous system gets like, what the fuck is this subject right now? No, you're not gonna talk to me about people living 200 years. That's not possible. No, and then they go off. So anytime I would start anytime I would initiate conversation, most people that I was friends with can't handle it. Like, they literally just turn around and they go away, or they just something like that. So during the entire trip, I had maybe 5 people that I can like count on my fingers of my palm that were open to things that I would like to talk about, the things that we talk about, like emotional health, mental health, inspiration, psychology, human design, energy, you know, like aspirations in life, motivation, vitality, health, stuff like that. And with those people, I had like 1 hour conversations. That was it, and that I'm eternally grateful for that. But most of my old friends, my parents, all my siblings, as a projector, I needed to wait. I had to employ my projector strategy of just observing and waiting, and not initiating any type of conversation unless somebody asks me a question. So I needed to be like like a really big penis that needs to go in very slowly if it fits. But if it doesn't fit, I need to find other places. So I would present myself. Hi, I create lines. Are you open for me? No? Okay. Someone else? And it had to be a very slow penetration. If the person, okay, I'm gonna just let the tip in, and then I go in with the tip, and then they go, okay, that's enough. And then I'm like, okay, that's enough. So that's sort of like, that's the approach I had to have. And with most people, I couldn't get the tip in. And that was very disappointing. And I was like, okay, this is not the place for me. It is. The dick soup theory, yeah. Taisel says best comparison, yeah. And when you think about projectors, the description of the projector aura is absorbing but also penetrating. So I like to think of my energy as like the thing that I just described.